I want you to imagine an app that will pay you for uploading other people's photos. And instead of receiving likes on your photos, every time someone viewed your photos, you will get paid hundreds of dollars. That would be pretty nice, right? Well, there's actually an app out there that is allowing people to upload other people's photos and get paid hundreds of dollars. This may sound crazy, but there are tons of people around the world using this method and are generating consistent income. I'm about to show you how you can as well. How is it going, guys? My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars by uploading other people's photos. And if you want me to inform you about the latest ways to make money online, go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so I can alert you on the latest ways to make money online. Now, before I talk about this method, I would like to make a disclaimer that results are not typical and you can make much more or less depending on how much you work, but what I can assure you that you'll not make any money if you don't follow every single step. So to avoid that, make sure you stay until the very end of the video, because one small mistake could cost you leave a lot of money on the table. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin. So what you want to do now is to go on to Google Images and search up whatever you want. So in my example, I searched up German Shepherd because that's my favorite dog breed. But you don't have to search up dogs or anything. You can literally search up anything you want. But before we do that, you want to make sure that these images are not copyrighted, because you don't want to get in trouble with that. And you could definitely get in a lot of trouble with copyright, even just by uploading images. I don't want you guys to have that problem. So basically, there's actually a filter on Google Images that can filter all the copyrighted images. So what you're gonna do now is to click Tools, click on Users' Rights, and click on Creative Commons License. So what this means is that the owner of all these images allows us to use these images for whatever you want, basically, or to make the definition easier. Alright, so now you can see there's a lot of good images here. Now, obviously, there's only probably like, I don't know, 30 images that are actually worth posting, which can definitely get you started on making some money, but it's not gonna be consistent enough. So next, I'm going to show you two websites that you can actually get even better images, better quality images. Because as you can see here, some of these images are clearly taken from a phone, like this one. Well, I'm not saying it's a bad image. I'm just saying it's probably not that great of an image that you're probably not going to make too much money from images like this. But I'm going to show you two websites that will actually give you stock images where photographers actually upload their images, and you can actually get these for free, and it's not copyrighted, which is even better. So the first website I'm going to show you is called pexels.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so you can check it out yourself. And once you click on that link, you'll get into a website that will look a little bit like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and search up my example as German Shepherd, and as you can see here, there's a lot of pictures of them, and I honestly think these are a lot better than what we see on Google Images. If you want, just a lesson for all you guys: if you want money, especially for visual aids, you always want to find detailed images. So let's just say this is just a good advice from me to you. If you want to do something like in a business, or like a Shopify, like a dropshipping store, or like any sort of business, strive for good images, like high quality stock images. Alright, that's just a lesson from me to you. I've learned from experience. But yeah, as you can see here, there's a lot. And the good thing about these is that more and more people are going to start uploading. People love to upload their images on here. So you'll get more and more for every single day. People are uploading images here every single day. Alright, so this is one of the websites. Another website I want to show you, it's very similar to Pexels. It's called Unsplash. It's also got some really good images, but I personally think Unsplash has better pictures, but Pexels has better pictures. Unsplash has better videos, but it's really up to you. But I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Search up German Shepherds, and as you can see, there's also some pretty good pictures that are taken from some pretty good photographers. And you can easily upload these. You just download these and upload them for free. Now, once you get like 10 to 20, I think that's the best place to start. Get 10 to 20 pictures. Once you do that, you're ready to upload. And now, the website I'm going to show you that will actually pay you to upload is called clickasnap.com. I will go ahead and leave a link in the description below. And once you click on that link, you'll get onto a website that looks a little bit like this. And as you can see here, this platform is the world's largest free-to-use, paid-per-view image sharing platform. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you kind of what this website is. So as you can see here, you can make money when your photos are being viewed. On ClickSnap is the only platform in the world that where you can get paid when your photos are being viewed, and it's also free to sign up. Which you can literally just use your Google account. I'm not gonna get into that because I don't want to blow out all my other accounts. Because I don't want you guys to start spamming me with emails. That's really annoying. Anyway, so as you can see here, it's 50. You can get paid for 15 cents per view. On your minimum payout is $15. Now let's do some math here. All right. So let's do 15 divided by 0.15 cents. All right. As you can see here, so basically, all you need is 100 views before you can make money. You can make 50, and honestly, I would definitely take that. So let's put that in perspective. Let's just download 100 images, which is obviously a bit extreme, but if you can download 100 images and upload them all in one day, I would guarantee every one of them will get at least more than one view. So you'll definitely get. So if you think about that, that's definitely going to be more than $15. And that doesn't even take that long to do, to be honest. Alright, so another thing I really like about this is that you're not just gonna get paid once for doing this. You can get paid tomorrow. You can get paid a day after this. You know, you can get paid even a year after this, because as long as someone views your image, even 10 years from now, you'll still get paid 15 cents, which is insane. And honestly, I feel like this is one of those platforms that is gonna grow, and more people are gonna come up here and view your images very soon. Alright, so now also I wanna let's look at this. How there's millions of views on here per month. So just think about that. I'm not gonna do math about that because I don't want to get your hopes up, but just think about that. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of show you what this website looks like. So this is kind of a feed. It looks a lot like Pinterest. And as you can see here, there's a lot of really good images right here. Obviously there are some that are like awful. That one got taken down because, as you can see here, there's watermark on here. My guess was this was a stolen copyrighted image on. Yeah, make sure there's no watermark on here. You don't want to get in trouble. I feel like you can easily get banned from that, and I don't want you guys to get banned. All right. Now let's go in. I'm gonna go in and click on explore. And I want to show you something. As you can see here, there's so many categories. Now my advice, if you want to actually make money here, is we're actually gonna go to click on all categories. As you can see, my advice is to upload images from multiple categories. That way you can reach more and more people. Alright. So obviously for dogs you can easily get onto animal, but that's only one category and only not nearly as many people see it. Compared to if you do like animal and then you search up food images, and then you also search up let's say some nature images or something like that. You'll obviously make a lot more money, and you can easily do that from doing the exact same method as I showed you. Just go on Google Images, Unsplash or Pexels, and search up an image, and you'll find it. So this is definitely a really good way to make some quick passive income. If you can do this consistently, you'll definitely be making a lot of money. Alright, so that's all I really have right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video very helpful, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.